The Joint Protective Carbine, JVPC, earlier known as Mortar Submachine Carbine, MSMC, is a carbine designed and developed by Armament Research and Development Establishment, ARDPUN, and manufactured by Small Arms Factory, Kanpur. This carbine was developed in a bid to replace the aging 9mm Sterling carbine. The JVPC is capable of penetrating soft body armor made of Kevlar, 24 layers of Kevlar, each a few microns in thickness. According to designers, it can penetrate 3.5 mm of mild steel, which is quite remarkable. The weapon recoils lesser and allows single-hand firing in single-round or rapid-fire mode. It also has got a nickel boron nitride coating in the upper receiver, which makes it a completely dry weapon. Baltranitra MRWS's Indian-designed reflex sight, which is a parallax-free, compact, lightweight and rugged weapon sight for instant target acquisition. A highly precise reticule, superimposed on the target scene, acts as an aim point for accurate firing. Fired has got the advantage of keeping both eyes open, during firing with Trinitara. To further enhance the capabilities of soldier and wept during CQB or night, Trinitara is equipped with inbuilt visible red and invisible IR laser spot designator, which makes Trinitara an all-in-one versatile sight for all possible combat scenarios. The new round appears to be of same concept that experimental American Colt Mars, Mince's, MSMC's 5.56x30 round takes the best features of 5.56 NATO. The Mars cartridge rifle was able to achieve similar ballistics as ultra-short-barreled 5.56x45 NATO sub-carbine, but with less muzzle flash, noise and weight. India went with the 5.56x30 over the 5.56x45 for these exact same reasons as Colt. In its last Army trials in December 2014, only 2 out of 5 JVPCs could met Army's reliability trials of only 3 stoppages in 1,080 rounds fired. The Khatska Police became the first to order the weapon this year, 640 of them, with similar orders expected from the MP, UP, Delhi and Meghalaya police. OFB believes the police, CAP orders will help stabilize quality in production and help eventually bag an Army order. OFB also handed over JVPC to DGCRPF for trial evaluation and user feedback. We have the production capacity to make around 35,000 such carbines each year, says HR Dixit, General Manager, Small Arms Factory, SAF, Kanpur. Cost is approximately Rs. 35,000 per piece, about half as much as an imported carbine. Some salient features of JVPC are unique caliber weapon system for CQB operations, highly accurate, low recoil ensures stabilized weapon during firing, retractable butt for compactness, 3-point sling for quick weapon positioning in different firing postures, ambidextrous features in fire selector enables left and as well as right hand firing. MIL STD 1913 Picatinny rail to Mountry International Site. Chromium plated barrel for longer life, reflex and passive night sights mounted on Picatinny rails. Last year, Indian government cancelled a 6-year-old tender for obtaining 44,618 close-quarter battle carbines and 33.6 million rounds of ammunition. That bid was won by the Galil Ace of Israeli weapon industry, IWI, but the India did not give a final go-ahead for the single vendor situation deal, as only one firm passed the trials conducted by the Indian Army. This year Israeli IWIND India's Punchloyd has set up a JV named Punchloyd Raksha Systems aimed to supply small arms, including Galil Ace carbines to Indian armed forces. Drawing inspiration from the legendary Russian AK-47 and the Finnish Vomit RK-62. The IWIG Galil Ace has been continuously improved over the last 40+ years, resulting in today's extremely reliable and highly accurate Galil Ace. The X95 is a modular weapon based on the already battle-proven Taver TAR-21 assault rifle, with modifications and upgrades suggested by Israeli Special Forces. Single X95 weapon can be easily configured as an all-around assault rifle, compact CQB or PDW carbine, or 9mm submachine gun, which can be further silenced for covert operations. Army has issued RFI with total quantity required is approximately 400,000 CQB carbine, out of which the immediate requirement is of approximately 83,000 CQB carbines. According to the RFI, the approximate quantity 83,000 CQB should be delivered within 4 months to 24 months from the day of signing of the contract. The vendors should confirm if they can deliver requisite quantity of CQB within the stipulated time frame. Tentative date of issue of RFP is July 2018. Some specifications required are that the carbine should be capable of achieving accuracy better than 4 minutes of angle up to an effective range of minimum 200 meters. The CQB carbine should be as light as possible, preferably less than or equal to 3 kgs. Army also prefer 5.56 by 45 NATO round. As we know, JVPC weigh 3.05 kilograms and fires 5.56 by 30 rounds. Now it's all depend on the Army to support indigenous industry by choosing Made in India weapon.